Welcome back. My name is Theresa and I'm very much hands. Hi, how are you? I have an awful garbage filthy mouth, so viewer discretion is advised. But if you're not into that or weird shit in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to exit out the video here. No harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. We have an Ipsy unboxing, y'all. I love getting disappointed. I don't know about you, but this is the highlight of my month, okay? If you've never heard of Ipsy, which, seriously, if you've never heard about Ipsy, this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Retails for $28 a month. I believe after tax, it comes out to like 30 and change. And basically, it's all the faves you love full size. Glam Bag Plus delivers you 5 personalized full-size beauty products worth over $120 in a theme drawstring bag. Whether you're trying the best and busiest brands or restocking your supply, there's always so much to love because you get to pick 3 out of the 5 products each month. Now, usually I can tell if an Ipsy bag is gonna be garbage depending on the things that you can pick. I don't remember what I picked. I don't even remember what the options were. As much as you were surprised, I will be surprised as well. Because I don't know. But anyway, typically these come in this like little pink bubble mailer. And yeah, it's probably like the best thing about it. It's just the anticipation of like, ooh, what could be inside? And then you open it up and then it's like, oh no, it's trash. And that's what I love about Ipsy, you know? Some things never change. And I'm glad that it being garbage is one that they hold so dearly. So let's see what we got in this month's bag. Oh, so pretty. Okay. Look how festive and girly it is. Like this looks like so much fun. Okay. All right, so let's see. My favorite is this box. Looks like somebody like fucking judo chopped it. All right. Okay. All right. So let's really. Now I'm remembering. Now I'm fucking remembering this. Okay. Wait a second. Wait, am I missing something? Was this one of the things that I was gonna get? Hold, please. It's starting to come back to me a little bit, but I think I paid full price for that. Hold please. This should be interesting. I'm a moron. Okay, cool. The fun thing about Ipsy is that they also have add-ons, right? And I was like, ooh, I love this PURLISSE BB cream. It's amazing. Highly recommend checking out PURLISSE. Their BB cream, fantastic. Like, cannot stress that enough. Like, probably one of my favorite things that I have in my collection. And I was running low on this Ageless Glow Serum. And I saw that this was relatively cheap. This is not like a super expensive product. I wanna say it's like maybe in the 30s or so. So I can't remember how much I paid for it. But I thought, oh my God, good deal. No, I guess I'm a moron because I should have read that it was a fucking deluxe size sample and not the full size. So I was like, what is this little shit? I'm still gonna use it. I could definitely get a couple of uses out of it, but yeah, I thought it was gonna be much bigger. Fuck me. All right, okay. So before we get into whatever the fuck I got, this month it's the Keep Growing. Okay. Oh, all right. You know what? The Glam Bag actual bag is made out of recycled fabric, which makes sense why it feels really weird. So it doesn't have a nice feel to it. Spring is here, and just like you, the earth has come alive. Oh, if this is not like a period reawakening commercial, I don't know what is. Take this month to plant big ideas, nourish your skin, and live a little greener because it's your season to bloom. All right. 3 ways to upcycle your glam bags, tidy your tech. You could use it as a mini emergency prep, or you pay it forward. You can donate bags filled with unused grooming basics to homeless shelters. Oh, that's actually a good idea. You know what? Usually I shit on these little fucking things, but I like that. That's a really cool idea. Now on the back of it, although I don't like the feeling of this one, the other glam bags I really like. This one just feels weird. And I don't know, I don't like the feel of it. So the back of the card, it looks like next Glam Bag X is gonna be with Madeline Petch. I don't know who that is. If somebody knows who that is, let me know. Oh, it's the Riverdale star. I've never watched Riverdale, so I don't know what the fuck that is. Okay, so it's coming to Ipsy. Update to the 8 full-size picks from brands like Tarte, Sunday Riley, Bite Beauty, okay. Iconic London, for $55. Okay. I don't know. We'll see how I feel about that one. We'll see like what kind of bullshit we get. Not impressed with the lineup. Plus Sunday Riley always breaks me out, so like I just don't fuck with them. All right. That said, we've got some products. Let's talk about the little add-on first. Again, let's see, how much did I pay for this? Let's see how much I paid for this one. Okay, honestly, have no fucking idea. I don't know. I have been looking all over for this, can't find it. Okay, so this is the Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream SPF 40. This is in the shade Fair, deluxe size sample, and this is a lightweight BB cream, blends like a dream, helps cover up anything from dark spots to redness. Plus it's infused with skin-loving ingredients like bakuchiol, vitamin C, and plant-based collagen. This, honestly, it's so great. Cannot recommend it enough. Anything that I've tried from the PURLISSE BB cream line has exceeded my expectations and then some. So highly recommend checking them out. Don't sleep on them. They're fabulous. Okay, next. So this I did not pick. This was given to me. Oh, love that. Okay, so I feel like I've gotten this before. I'm just, all right, so Dr. Brandt. If it's not Dr. Brandt, I feel like it's Coors. It's like one or the other. And it's always like the same fucking product. So this is the Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser. This retails for $35. It's a face wash. What it does is the heroes of this gel cleanser, prebiotics and postbiotics. They help the good bacteria on your skin thrive, a must for a complexion that's balanced, soothed, and hydrated. You know, if you feel like with Dr. Brandt stuff, I haven't found a lot of products that I have been obsessed with or anything, not even a strong like for. Like, I feel like they're just okay, and I never feel the need to ever repurchase them. You know what's so funny? I don't think I've ever purchased a Dr. Brandt product. I think they've always been given to me in these subscription boxes. So yes, I mean, I do purchase them because I'm buying a subscription box, but I've never went willingly to buy a Dr. Brandt product. If that's not a review, I don't know what is. We're gonna give this to my friend. If it's not eye cream, he loves a good face cleanser. All right. The next thing is from, I'm assuming this is called Koa Life. This is a vitamin C brightening oil. So this retails for $34.95. It's a face oil. This is a full size. Beautiful. Your skin is about to be lit. Ew. Okay. Sorry. It was gross. This glow boosting oil is packed with brightening vitamin C, hemp seed oil, hemp seed oil, and shiitake mushroom extract. I sound so delicious. Basically, this helps even out your skin tone, and it helps minimize the appearance of hyperpigmentation like dark spots. Ooh, you know what? I'm gonna try this. Because I have a patch of really just sun damaged skin that I think I need to get it zapped off. But I know it's gonna cost monies, and I wish it was just covered by insurance, but it's not. So instead of zapping it away and spending a lot of money that I don't have, I am gonna try this, and I'm gonna hope for the best. I know it's never gonna cure it completely, but if it definitely lessens the hyperpigmentation in that area, it's a fucking win. So I'll keep you updated how this goes. But initially I was gonna be like, nah, fuck this. But no, I find use for you. Good job, Koa Life. Do not disappoint me. You will probably disappoint me. Fuck. Now I picked this product. Now it's coming back to me. Okay. So Il Makiage, this is the Dirty Talk Matte Lip Color. And I mean, come on, like that is so pretty. I love the bullet on it. Kind of looks like a little bit of a snake skin almost. But I'm not gonna lie, it kind of looks really, ew. Okay, hold. I'm gonna try to see if I can zoom you in. All right, my hands are really like just shockingly white, but I hope that you could see how, I don't know if you could see that. It's very weird and aged looking. This looks like it came from a fucking museum, okay? Okay, so I like the texture of the side of the bullet, like it kind of looks like a snake skin, but the top of it kind of just looks like, it looks like you had lipstick and it fell on the floor and you're like, ah, fuck, it has hair on it. And you decide to like just chop a piece of it off, but you still have some like hair and like dust remnants on the side. That's what this looks like. I don't even know if you're gonna fucking see this. All right, I'm gonna take a picture of this because I feel like people are gonna be like, you're lying. And it's like, no, man, I am not lying. This just looks really shitty. Oh, I hate this. I hate this so much. Oh God, this is disgusting. Oh, there's a hair. There's a fucking hair on it. There's like lint on it. How is that possible? Okay, I was gonna swatch that. Not anymore. Oh, Il Makiage. No, baby. I wonder how old this is. Okay, we're gonna put that away. So we have this product from the brand I.N.H hair, and this is Quick Slick. Oh, I did pick this up because I thought this was kind of cool for the days that it's humid down here and fucking hair oil is just not being my friend, which for the most part has been doing very, very well. But some days we all need a little bit of help, and this is supposed to help you with your flyaway. It's basically like hair mascara. That's what it kind of looks like. It's weird. So this retails for 18 bucks, and it's a frizz fighter. This is meant for taming flyaways and grooming baby hairs and edges. This lightweight serum uses a combo of keratin, jojoba, avocado oil, and avocado and evening primrose to smooth your hair without it being sticky or flaky. So I'm very, very excited about this one, and I cannot wait to use it. I don't have anything funny to say except I really need to control my flyaways. And then last, but certainly not least, we have something from PYT. I think that's how you pronounce the brand's name. And this is the Hot Flush Blush in the shade Flirty. It's 20 bucks, and it's made with a silky mauve pigment and skin nourishing ingredients. This powder blush gives the skin a realistic looking flush look that you'll love. Okay, if I can open this up. Okay, so you know what? This doesn't want to open. Really? Okay, cool. Okay. Huh. I don't like how this doesn't open up very nicely. Oh, okay, there's the pigment. I was a little worried for a second. I was like, where the fuck is it? And I feel like you're not even gonna be able to see it, but it's a very nice, like peachy bronze color. Yeah, it's not bad. Looks pretty good on the skin. Yeah, okay. I mean, it's a bitch to open. That's the only thing that kind of sucks about it. Holy shit, you can't open that. Okay. That's a little difficult to open. I don't like that. Because it's difficult to open, I will probably not reach for it as much, which kind of sucks. So this could be an amazing product and I'll never know because it fucking feels like Fort Knox to open. All right, so this is everything that we got. Okay, here's my add-on. Love that one. I'm gonna pass this off to a friend. Actually, I'm excited to try the serum. Like super excited to try the little flyaway guy. This, I like the color. Looks pretty nice. A bitch to fucking open, so I am kind of bummed out about that because, like I said, I don't feel like I'm gonna be reaching for this, which kind of sucks. And then you have this. No. I don't know. I'm gonna pass on it because that was terrifying. Fuck out of here. All right, so yeah, okay. I'm not mad at this. I mean, being two products that were like, you know, all right, and then everything else was kind of cool. This blush pisses me off, but beyond that, not so bad. All right, Ipsy, not bad. You know what? Usually I feel like it's a hell of a lot worse. Today, not so bad. So I'll take it. With that said, I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you do get Ipsy, and if so, what do you get in your Ipsy bag? Is it amazing? Is it horrible? Is it great? Is it garbage? I don't know. Just let me know because I love hearing from y'all. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really filthy, really gross, really nasty, really disgusting, super disgusting garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you, and I love your adorable little delicious faces. If you want to know what is currently on my nails and where to get this beautiful little tablecloth, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little pumpkins later. Bye.